Ain't gon' drip. Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gon' cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me. How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you? It's just a 10. Hey, how much you got on you? It's a little 20. How much you got on you? It's just a 30. How much you got on you? I blow the 40. How much you got on you? I made it 50. Hey, how much you got on you? It turned it to 60. How much you got on you? And I spent it 70. Hey, how much you got on you? It came back with 80. Hey, how much you got on you? I came with a whole. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Bitch, I wanna fuck me. Hey, how much you got on you? She say I'm hot. Hey, how much you got on you? I got a lot. Hey, how much you got on you? Yeah, this a lot. I got a lot on me. I got a lot on me. But that ain't a lot of me. That ain't a lot to me. Talking about money, money, money.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So right now, cluster, getting the cluster back together. Got everything powder coated and everything. So that's what it's looking like. So for many of y'all that don't know how to take these out, understand there's this little capture nut there, and then it has screws. See anchor plates all the way around. So when you get ready to take these out to do anything to them, don't be snatching on them or anything. So it has a screw there, 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 and there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws in here. Be mindful when you're taking it out, and also when you're taking it out, hump right here. You're taking it out of the dash, be careful with that, because that's where your speedometer cable goes. Just giving y'all a little heads up, tips and tricks before I put this back in. So if you decide to take yours out and do anything to it like I did, then you'll know. And also you got LEDs in there, so I'm gonna try to turn some power to it. Figure out some type of way to do that. Turn some power to it and see how it looks. But I just want to give y'all that little update right there on what I'm doing. Just stand by. Just hold on, not stand by. Just give me a second. I'll be right back. Alright, so that's what she looking like. So when you do it, there's the cable. See if I can't see it for y'all. Nope. Turn this off. Not a bit wide lens. Alright, nope. Go back. See what they're doing. So anyway, that's a speedometer cable that's under here. You're gonna disconnect it from the back. You'll see it once you go under there with a flashlight. It has like a little thread. It's like a little thing you unscrew off. So you'll see it back there. So what you're gonna do is undo that first before you even try to pull it out. You're gonna be fighting to trying to get this out. That'll be connected, and then you can wiggle it around to get it out. Realize I got a little blemish right there, but you don't really notice it. But that's how she looking. I still gotta do more to the dash, so as we come along with that, y'all see the progress on that. But man, that thing looks pretty nice in there. Churches it up a bit, you know. Can't wait till the whole thing's in there. Might be crazy. That's that part. I'm about to see how these lights look, so just hold on. Lights are on under there. See what we got. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Yeah, that's beautiful right there. That's it right there, y'all. So y'all see what the rest of it look like once it's lit up, once cars running and everything. But man, that looks good right there. Retro, old school look with that little retro look, you know. I like that. See, look at it. Hit it one more time for y'all. Boom. It's not that old white light. So that looks amazing. Even that's brighter. So there we go. Continue on with our little journey here. We gotta do the one as well. Change that one out under there. So ain't all crushed lights you can LEDs. I got enough to do the whole car, so I'm gonna do the whole thing. So I just wanna show y'all that. Alright, let's keep on moving. Now that it's dark, I'm gonna show y'all what this look like. So see what we got. Look at that. LEDs look so pretty. Brings it out, makes it pop. That is absolutely beautiful right there. Ooh boy. minute to just admire. So now we know what them looks M's look like. I don't know what that was. Continue on with everything else. So tail light still bling blinging. All that. Show y'all what we looking like. So yeah. Continue on with this journey. You got another battery? Screaming, cussing, and fighting happening here. We got the rear lower control arms on. I still got a weld in the wishbone bracket. I put these on so then that way I know exactly where I'm sitting so I can measure it out properly. So slowly but surely we are here. So start setting everything up, getting everything right. I just gotta tighten the bolts right now. I'm ready to hang my exhaust back up. I don't like the way it's dangling right now. I'm back here beating and the V-band popped out, so I don't like that. So I'm gonna get the exhaust back after I get these bolts in and tight. They're in already here, but I just gotta tighten them down. But there we are. They're in. Like the way that thing rock right now. So yeah, gear up and continue on. What's up, you beautiful people? So we back at it again. Had to tack this up. It's the wishbone mount from Pitbull. Tack that up. Got the control arms in last night. So got everything all here. So pretty much right now we're checking for the pinion angle to make sure the movement and everything is where it needs to be. Moving it up and down, making sure they ain't laying on top of itself. So I got to jack all the way up, let it back all the way down, etc., etc. Make sure that don't move all crazy like. Make sure everything is in line. So little update. Make sure you tack it, don't fully weld it yet. Make sure make it do what it do. So let me go ahead and check this out real quick. Let's see what we got up in here. So it's all the way up, right? So all the way up. See how it's laying. It's not touching, hitting or anything. Try to get a better angle for y'all. Where can I get? see it. Y'all can see it. See how it's not touching? It's all the way up. I can go up even more, to be honest with you. But that's pretty much the car laying on the ground. As I was jacking up, it wasn't hitting or anything. So push it back down. So that's all we up. Look at that. Freaking John Forbes, boy, I tell you what. And old rubbing for the exhaust. But that's all the way up. Right there. It's about as high as my jack gonna get at least. But it's not touching at all. So that's perfect. That's all the way perfect right there. So, and I don't think this car will achieve. You might, we might just get up in there. Who knows? So that's probably as high as my jack pipe. Let's see. Got some pumps. That was it. That was the max. Dang. Crazy when it's tucking. Still, it's not touching up there. It's clear. Perfect pinion angle. We're good. Now I'm free to weld it all the way around. Man, imagine that thing. I can't wait. I can't wait. But, so, you can somewhat see it right there. Oh, this side. Yeah, anyway, we're clear all the way around. What we got, so we have, that's what we get. It won't go that high due to the simple fact of those will be in there. It's about actually, yeah. It might get a little funky up in there. It might go that high. It's gonna be nice though. It's gonna be nice. So that's where we are currently with it. Gotta weld the rest. I know that it's straight. Go from there with it. Brett set all the way down, all the way up. And Zach Eddington. So that's all the way down. It's not hitting up top or anything. Still got angle. So we're good. Gotta proceed on to where we're at. And get this weld rounded off. Let y'all see what she look like. So before I put these wheels on, let y'all so got all that connected. So we got the wishbone up there. Triangle arms are in. So right now I'm putting the wheels on so that way I'm not fighting with these cylinders. Cause right now they slopping all around and everything. Got the jack under holding the rear up. So next time this car comes down, it's gonna be coming down. That makes sense. So right now I'm putting the wheels on, and then yeah. So pretty much setting everything else. So like I said, sticking the stands under. So next time this rear end comes down, the car is coming down with it. So I just wanted y'all to be able to see that. And before y'all say anything, oh, Dre, why you got this little spot right there painted? All right, I got I'll tell y'all that. So that was down to bare metal, right? Where that's painted black. The rest of that's dirty. That's dirt. Dirt. I need some degreaser and a pressure washer. And that will look like that. Well, no, hold on. That will look like that. So give me some time, doggone it. Before you start saying anything. I know some of y'all in there bumping your gums. Think I don't know what you're talking. So it's all set up now. I'm running these up real quick. Get them set. Don't have to worry about them. I got the ports greased. I got them tightened down on both sides with the adjustable. With the pipe wrench. So tighten all the way down. They're kind of pain. You see hot that is. So I have to fight with this and everything, so there we go. There we have it. Up in there. So I ain't, like I said, I ain't sticking with this. Eventually I'm pulling this rear end out. I'm going to Pitbull rear end. One thing at a time though. Can't rush everything, so that'll be all pretty later on. I'll worry about that as I go. But right now, this is for now. And be rolling for the summer. So then we're gonna put these other wheels on. Then we'll be back with it. And you know what? Go ahead and log out. Go ahead and log out, tag out. So next time you see, hopefully I'll be a little bit further. So it's a rear trailing arms on. I mean, not rear, lower Pitbull wishbone. Big thanks to Brett over at Pitbulls, and big thanks to Zach for linking me up with him. So get in there, definitely get in there. So yeah, I'm gonna stop this video. Cause right now I'm waiting for a homie to come back through, help me cut it, this. For now we on standby. Then I'm gonna start welding the racks and everything, but that's what the Pitbull wishbone welded in. It's pretty much just bolted on. So you got 6 bolts total holding the front. It's pretty easy setup, pretty easy to do. Rolling it. Pretty simple. So you will have to order that other bracket over there. So pretty much everything's bolted in, both sides. No cutting required. All you gotta do is weld down here. So there you have it. If you want a nice one to go with, Pitbull's the way. So yeah, go ahead and run this. Put this wheel on. Run these up real quick, and then we'll be set for now. So till next time, keep macking. Peace.